EHM Group Ltd. has been specializing in ionized water treatment products for years. EHM has developed to be a manufacturing, selling, and after-sales service integrated enterprise. EHM current products involve in water ionizers, hydrogen-rich water makers, alkaline water pitchers, alkaline water sticks, and alkaline water flasks. We own comfortable working environments, sophisticated production and testing equipment, good quality management, and a solidary and high-efficient management team. We are one of the members of Water Quality Association, and in 2017, our factory was ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certificated, and obtained CE patents and tests for products. Our products are mainly exported to Europe, North America, and Southeast Asia. We have established partnership with many big international companies, pursuing the management idea of technology as root, staffs as fundamentality. We always do our best to meet customers' requirements and the newest needs, create the value for clients by leading market, advanced technologies and equipment, excellent work arts, good quality and supply chain, to assure the high-quality standards designed for quality, designed for reliability, and designed for safety technologies are implemented throughout product development. Our workers are trained to understand EHM quality commitments and become a part of the total quality solution. The customer satisfaction surveys are also used for constantly upgrading its performance levels. You're welcome to visit our factory for further cooperation.